Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and other video. Today I will discuss about how to fix WhatsApp notification sound not working on iPhone iOS 17. So how to fix this problem? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. Do not miss any steps. You gave me must seen all the steps my video. Then first of all, you have turn on WhatsApp notification. So you have opened the setting and then you have opened the notifications. Then you have opened the WhatsApp, and then you have checked the allow notifications is turned on or off. This is the turn off, then you have must be turned on your iPhone, and then your problem will be fixed. If their first solution is not working, their second solution, you have turn on airplane mode and turn it off. Then you have 5 to 10 seconds, then wait, turn on, turn off. Then you have 3 to 4 times on your iPhone, then 5 to 10 seconds every time wait. And then other solution, you have check do not disturb mode. Then you have check the do not disturb mode is turned on or off. Then your display brightness, and then you have sorry guys, then you have open the control center, then you have click on focus, then you have from you have is turn off do not disturb mode. And then other solution, you have check network connection or reset. Then you have again open the setting, and then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset. Then click on reset network setting, and iPhone given a passcode, and then your network setting is 100% working. And then other solution, you have force stop WhatsApp and restart your iPhone. Then volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 5 to 10 seconds wait, and then your problem will be fixed. And other solution, you have uninstall the WhatsApp and reinstall. You have WhatsApp app is delete from iPhone, and then you have again install from App Store. Then other solution, you have update the WhatsApp app, then you have update from App Store, then open this App Store, and then you have a search bar, then you have search WhatsApp. Then you have checked that your WhatsApp app is up to date, and then not update, then you have update from App Store. Then last solution, you have update iOS latest version. Then you have again open the setting, and then you have click on general, then click on software update. iOS version on your iPhone is available, then you have install on your iPhone, then your problem is 100% working, and fix this issue. Then hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know if you have any problem. So please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Khuda Hafiz.